Hello everyone, welcome to biology class. Today we begin the chapter number 4, ecosystems. In this chapter we will be studying about environment and related topics to the environment only. So let us begin the introduction part. If we see about the earth, it is a unique planet and life only exists on this planet. That is why it is called unique. So what are the conditions that are responsible for life to continue on earth that are given here? First one is the right distance from the sun. If we see our solar system, some of the planets are very close to the sun, leading to high temperature, and some of them are very far away from the sun, which leads to very low temperature. This temperature range is not suitable for life to continue. But on earth, there is a normal temperature range, and people and all the life, not only human beings, all the kind of life can easily exist. Next is presence of atmosphere. Air is present all over the earth. Next, presence of water, presence of minerals. All these factors are important, or they are very necessary for life to continue, and all of these are there on the earth. Last one is the gravitational force. That is also one of the conditions required for sustaining of the life on earth. So all these situations are present in the right manner on the earth. That is why we can say earth is a unique planet for life to exist. So these conditions you have to learn. 5 points are there. Now if we divide the different parts of the earth wherever life exists, then we have three different classification. We call them three different spheres. Earth is made up of three different spheres. First one is the land on the earth. Wherever you find land on the earth, that can be seen or covered by the rocks or the soil. It is the outer solid layer on the earth which is present in the form of soil or the rocks. This sphere is called as lithosphere, and it will contain land will contain different types of important minerals which are required for the growth and development of the living beings, because minerals will provide what? They will provide nutrients. So land provides minerals to give us nutrients for our body growth, and not only our, for the plants, for the animals also it is very important. After the land here, next is hydrosphere. Hydro is related to water. So the hydrosphere is that part of the earth which contains water, and water is one of the conditions required for life. We have already seen. Now total earth 70% is water only, so we can say 70% of the earth is hydrosphere, that is present in the form of seas and the oceans. And only a very small water is also there, which is fresh water, which we are drinking. The drinking water is available in the river, lakes and the groundwater. So all this is very small, but we can combine all of them: sea, ocean, river, lake, groundwater. All this water total will be called as hydrosphere only. Wherever water you will find, that will be a part of hydrosphere. Last one is air. Land, water, and the third one is air. So a blanket of air is surrounding the earth. This part is called as atmosphere. So atmosphere, that is air, is a mixture of gases. It contains lot of gases. So among these gases, ozone is also there, which is very important, and it is present in the upper atmosphere. It is doing what? It is preventing the harmful radiation of the sun. Which is that harmful radiation? That is UV, ultraviolet radiations are there, that are present in the solar radiations only. If they reach the earth, they can cause damage, like they will in the human beings, they can cause skin cancer. So that is very harmful. There are many other uh, uh, consequences of the ultraviolet rays that are not needed right now. One special topic, separate topic is given here. As we have already seen, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, these are the different three spheres. If we combine them, all of them together, these all in combined manner are called as biosphere. Biosphere is the combination of lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. So that is what is called as biosphere. If we combine all these, then we can say all the life forms are present on the earth only in all these three. Either living things are present on the land, either they are in the water like the aquatic plants and animals, or they can be in the atmosphere also like the birds. So it extends 11 kilometers deep into the sea and 10 kilometers up in the air. This is the range of the biosphere. Up in the air means atmosphere, deep in the sea means hydrosphere, and on the land obviously lithosphere. So this is what is called as biosphere. So that is, we have seen how the life exists in different places. Now the important term comes, that is called as environment. If we see this particular word environment, then what does it read? Environment is actually derived from a foreign word, that is French language word called as environ. Environ is a French word, and environ means encircle or surrounding something. So let us read the definition. Everything which surrounds us collectively is called as environment. All our surroundings are a part of environment. So that is surrounding us. It is encircling us. So in French we can say it is called as environ. So environ means everything which collectively surrounds us is called as environment only. So that is, we can say, the definition is given here. You can learn this. Everything which surrounds us is called as environment. Now this environment will have all the factors. It can have physical surroundings or it may be biological surroundings. Both will constitute the environment only. Means physical means the non-living things are there. Also biological means the living things are also there in the surroundings. But all will be a part of environment only. Like land, water, air, light. All these are the physical surroundings. They are not living things, but still they are important for life to continue. Next, biological surroundings, microorganism, plant, animals, all these, including the human beings, are biological surroundings. These are the living things which are surrounding us all the time. Now, all the living beings, all the living organisms depend on the environment only for various needs like energy, air, water, food, clothing. All these things are required by everyone, and environment is the only one which provides all these things. Our surroundings only provide us these things. But if we are not maintaining a balance with the nature, that is the uncontrolled activities are done, then as the human beings do so, they will damage the balance between the of the earth, and what will happen, our health will be affected only. If we are not maintaining this natural balance, then one day human beings only will have to suffer. So this is a small flowchart given here. You can go through this. This is what are the requirements of a human beings, and all these are provided by the nature. That is why we have to respect the nature, and we have to try to maintain a balance in the natural things. We should not waste them. Here is a separate definition given here, very important one, so we should go through this also. The branch of biology that studies the interaction between biotic and abiotic components is ecology. What are the biotic components? That are related to the living things, and abiotic means non-living things. So this is separate study, or the branch of the biology. It will study what is the interaction between the biotic and abiotic factors. We'll see the biotic and abiotic factors in details in the upcoming topic. This study is called as ecology. So that is a separate definition that we have to learn. So that is all. In the next class we'll continue with ecosystem. Only introduction was supposed to be done today. We will continue with the ecosystem topic in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.